There are a number of oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya that you can get involved in or that you can tap into. And in this particular video, I'm going to share with you in broad terms some of the segments that you can be able to look into to be able to take advantage of the oil and gas business opportunities that are available in Kenya. And this is very important if you are an investor or entrepreneur looking for opportunities to either start or expand your existing business into the oil and gas value chain in Kenya. This is because you can be able to tap into the oil and gas business opportunities that are available across the upstream, midstream, and downstream oil and gas sectors in Kenya. Oil and gas is a very important sector when it comes to the Kenyan economy, and with it comes with profitable and many oil and gas business opportunities that can be very beneficial to you. And what this means is that if you are interested in investing your money or even starting a business across the oil and gas value chain, this video might be very beneficial to you. The oil and gas industry is as old, probably even older than the country itself, because if you think about it, the first petroleum products to be imported into the country came in 1905, and over the years that has continued to grow, or the industry has continued to grow, to the extent that even in the 1950s, Kenya started exploring for oil and gas across the different geological regions across this country. And as the economy continues to grow, as the population continues to grow, there will be continued need for oil and gas resources as a fuel of this particular economy. And that means that the more there is demand, the more opportunities or the more oil and gas opportunities will emerge. So if you're an entrepreneur or an investor who is seeking for a way to get into the oil and gas industry, you need to understand the available oil and gas business opportunities that you can tap into or where you can invest your money. And if that's something that you really want, you should be able to consider the resource that I have created and linked in the description box below. The oil and gas industry is divided into three main segments. You have upstream, you have midstream, and you have downstream oil and gas sectors in Kenya. Those subsectors come with very profitable oil and gas business opportunities where you can be able to get involved in. And it is upon you to be able to figure out or to reverse engineer what exactly you want to do. But you cannot do that if you do not know the available oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya. The idea of this video is to broadly give you areas where you can be able to start looking at. This is a broad overview of the oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya. And I will start with probably one of the most popular subsectors in Kenya, and that is the downstream. When you think of the oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya, it is possible that your mind is going to areas related to setting up a petrol station, setting up such kind of infrastructure or supporting petrol station infrastructure. And you can be able to start an oil and gas business, or you can be able to tap into the opportunities that are available in the downstream oil and gas sector. And there are many. You could actually become, for example, an investor when it comes to setting up of petrol stations. Or you can actually become a dealer in terms of dealing with the petroleum products across the entire subsector of the downstream sector. You can become a supplier of, or service provider in this particular sector. So there are quite a number of opportunities that are available when you consider the downstream oil and gas sector in Kenya. And you need to take time to actually undertake research to be able to figure out the best oil and gas business opportunity for you to pursue when it comes to the downstream oil and gas sector in Kenya. And if you want help with this, you can definitely reach out to me and we'll be able to work out something. The other idea for you to be able to look when it comes to the oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya relates to the midstream oil and gas sector. Midstream oil and gas sector deals with, storage and transportation of either crude oil from the fields to a refinery or a storage facility, and also refine products from the refinery to the market. Or in this case, Kenya being a net importer of petroleum products at the moment, moving those products from, let's say, the port of Mombasa and through the Kenya pipeline infrastructure into the market or to the end user. So you are looking at things related to, refinery, pipelines, storage facilities, and that may form what you might call the back of the midstream oil and gas sector in Kenya. And there are quite a number of opportunities there as well. And if you have any interest, if you're interested in building a storage tank farm, getting involved in the business of building pipelines, repairing pipelines, and a lot of other support activities or support services that are required in this subsector, you can be able to start a business that provides those services and be able to tap into the opportunities that are available across the midstream oil and gas sector. The other area you can look into when it comes to the oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya is the upstream oil and gas sector. And while it sounds or it looks like upstream oil and gas sector is a new industry in Kenya, it actually has been allowed for a while. Oil and gas exploration in Kenya began in the 1950s in Kenya, with the first well being drilled in 1956. And over the year, a lot has been taking place, and Kenya is still a very new country in this space of oil and gas exploration, given that we first had the first commercial oil discovery in 2012 by Tullow Oil. Probably that's a company that you know by now, given it has been in the news over the last couple of years, and given Turkana is the only place in Kenya where oil has been discovered. The upstream oil and gas industry provides numerous and profitable oil and gas businesses. In fact, you can consider each of these segments as sub-industries on themselves. There are some industries on their own. There's quite a huge value chain that exists within the upstream sector. You can become a product provider or you can become a service provider within this space. And for you to be able to tap into the opportunities that exist in the upstream oil and gas sector, you first need to understand how the upstream oil and gas sector works. You also need to understand what standards are required, what you would need to have to be able to become either a service provider or even build up a company that can work within this particular sector. But having even said that, you need to take time to actually research and be able to figure out the many business opportunities that are available in the upstream oil and gas industry in Kenya. And then you can be able to make a decision or reverse engineer your decision making to figure out what you need to do if you are ever going to do business in this space. And the good news about this is that even the oil and gas exploration companies are to some extent obligated to actually see how some of the products or services that they use can be sourced locally. This is where the concept of local content or local participation comes in, because it also makes economic sense for an exploration company to actually get some of the goods and services from the local market or from the local economy. So you can actually be able to tap into the oil and gas business opportunities that are emerging in the upstream sector in Kenya. Now, every business comes with some element of risk. So, by getting into the oil and gas industry in Kenya or by looking at the available oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya, it is always good to remember that there is some risk involved with getting involved in this business. You can win money and you can also lose money. You can be able to generate a lot of profits, but also you can be able to make a lot of losses. So you need to have that in the back of your mind so that you can be able to mitigate against some of those things as you get or as you try to tap into the opportunities that are available in the oil and gas industry in Kenya. Oil and gas business opportunities in Kenya come in all sizes and shapes, which means you can be able to get into this industry. Even if you do not have a lot of money, you probably do not have a lot of expertise, You can be able to be an entrepreneur or a business owner across the oil and gas value chain. Remember, entrepreneurship is about bringing factors of production together. You can be able to do that. You can be able to leverage whatever it is advantage that you have to get into the oil and gas business ecosystem. And the most important thing for you at this particular moment is to take time to understand the oil and gas value chain in Kenya, understand the oil and gas business opportunities that are there, and then be able to decide on how you are going to get into the industry. You can only do that if you have all the information, which is why I have created a resource for you where I have linked it on the description below to be able to get some of the oil and gas business opportunities that you can get across the oil and gas value chain. And I would encourage you to actually get that resource using the link on the description below. That will be your first step towards understanding the oil and gas landscape when it comes to oil and gas business opportunities. You do not want to just put in your money or invest your money without knowing where you are putting it, without knowing the opportunities that are available. And that becomes your first step. If you have enjoyed this particular video, I am sure you are going to enjoy the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I will see you in the next video.